Good morning, guys. Let's have a quick look at your markets for today. We'll start with the economic calendar. As we can see, we've got the durable goods orders today for the dollar, and then crude oil inventories if you're looking to trade oil. Here is one of its members speaking. The job seekers data for France is also coming out. And then if you trade emerging markets, we've got the core CPIs from South Africa. Yeah, so not a lot happening. I think this could be relevant, could give us a little volume, and that would be more relevant. Canada might see some movement finally. Yeah, so I mean, on the news, that's about it. We had something for New Zealand and Australia this morning, but that's already been taken into consideration. So I think for now all we have to look forward to is if you want to trade oil or the Canadian dollar, you could potentially look to do that around 4:30 GMT +2. So that's something to consider. Let's switch over to the charts and we'll have a quick look at where we are. Let's start with the dollar index. It seems to be just ranging in this zone now. We had a bit of a breakout, but it's not a breakout, it's more like a range now. From there, yeah, it's just kind of chilling in this range. So there's really not much happening on the dollar. It's literally just staying in range against most currency pairs. We can actually see that here on the euro. We've got it doing that. Dollar CAD, we have it doing that. You remember everyone said that they're long dollar CAD, and I said don't go long, wait for the breakout. If you went long yesterday like everyone said you should, you would have had about a 50 pip, give or take, 50 pip drawdown. It will recover most definitely back to this level where it was yesterday. You can expect nothing less unless the Canadian member that's speaking pushes it down, but I doubt that. I think it will recover to this level today. So if you did have that drawdown, you could potentially wait it out unless you put a stop loss in. Now we've got the odd USD also ranging, slightly squeezing a bit, but also ranging. And then dollar CHF ranging, dollar yen. Okay, this is the daily chart. We've had it kind of stuck in between these two big lines. We'll see. Yeah, so I discussed that zone yesterday that it needs to break out of, because it's literally just going to stay there and retest the middle line. So you can expect moves like this until it breaks out. Maybe potentially trade it at the top and at the bottom if it doesn't break out. Dollar pound, yeah, I mean, it's not breaking this level. We could potentially see some movement here today, but I mean, it's bounced off this level a few times, so we'll keep an eye on it. AUDCHF, I'm keeping an eye on. There seems to be a potential move to the upside. We've got it above standard deviation, so if this candle goes green and closes green, the next candle is green as well, then we could potentially see a move further up. Hopefully, we haven't seen any moves or relevant moves in much of the currencies, so I'm hoping to see this move go up. And then New Zealand dollar, we've got this range going as well. It's kind of annoying, but you could still make money. You could trade the top end there, like that line. You could trade it down from there to there and back up until it breaks out. And pound yen was in a upward trend, and then it hit this key level that it kind of just tested and retested, it broke through, had a long pullback to that key level. If you look back, you'll see it reversed there. So what I'm looking at is I could potentially see this turning around, moving down. So that's what I'm going to trade today. If this is to the downside, obviously if it breaks that level, then get out. But I think this could move to this 50% retracement level that we've got down there. So if you put the Fibonacci on, something like this, you'll see it's the 50% retrace. It could turn before that, it could turn at the 38.2 because it already turned at the 23.6. That's what it's been retesting. So it's rebounding off the 23.6. It'll rebound off that level now, then go down. I should see it at least hitting the 38 line and hopefully the 50, but we'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, so that's my opinion. We'll have a quick look at the technical summary. Let's see what they say there. Yeah, so let's just put this on daily. What do we have? Euro USD neutral. That's bullish dollar. This one's bullish dollar. That one's bearish dollar. Bearish dollar. Bearish dollar. This one's neutral for the euro as well, and then the yen strong buy. So bearish yen. Yeah, I could see that. I mean, I'm bearish yen at the moment on this currency pair. I think it's going to come down on the pound yen, not this specific pair, but on the pound yen, I'm bearish. So yeah, I mean, we'll see. The pound dollar is a strong buy. I don't see that. Let's have a quick look at the pound dollar. Pound dollar, strong buy. Yeah, but like I said, I think it's topping out at this level. I think it's topping out there. We'll keep an eye on it. If it does break through, it'll top out at that level. We'll see. But if they say it's bearish, we might see a move between this point and that point. We'll keep an eye on that. It's not even hitting standard deviations channels, so yeah, I'm cautious to trade that just yet. We'll wait for a few more confirmation signals. I mean, if it breaks this level, then the sky's the limit, and we're pushing to that level there. Over there. We could potentially see it move there. So if it breaks there, I'll go long. I'll get on the bandwagon and ride the momentum up. Yeah, so what else do we see? Strong sell on dollar CAD. It should retrace today. That was from yesterday, but I already said it was going to do that. So we'll see it retrace today. At least to the level it was when I spoke about it. So we could potentially see it move there. And then potentially retrace again to the downside. I don't know. So yeah, keep an eye on that. But they say it's bearish, or no, they say it's bearish. It's going down, but it's retracing now. So I think that this one just goes on past results, from yesterday. The daily is a bit out of touch. Let's go to the hourly and see. Strong sell, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. This is so contradictory. You've got here a bearish dollar sentiment, a bearish dollar sentiment, and then a bullish dollar sentiment, and then EURJPY, we've got strong buy. Euro yen, yeah, euro yen we're selling. I could see that. I think I have it open on my chart. Let's have a quick look. Here we go. Oops, don't do that. No. Just manually close this. Opened a limit order over there for no reason. I just wanted to apply a template. There we go. Okay, so euro yen, saying sell. Yeah, definitely. I mean, this is a no-brainer. That's an easy signal. We've got that V formation at the top. Could potentially see a huge move to the downside here. So similarly, I can't overextend. I can't overextend because I'm already short on the pound yen to the downside. But here's another potential short opportunity, I think. Just keep an eye on the levels. This level there could be key. Anyway, so that's my take for today. Hope it helped. Another quick look at the technicals, just on the hourly, and then sentiment on the indices. The S&P 500 strong buy, so that's strong buy, so that's bullish for the dollar. FTSE selling, yeah, that we know. Euro stocks neutral, yeah, could probably expect that. And then gold, oh yeah, they're recovering, coming back to the levels that they're supposed to trade at. I don't trade gold or silver. It's easy money, but it's also easy to lose, so I'll be wary. I'll trade the safe currencies. I want to see a reasonable ATR. Anyway, so that's my take. I hope it helps. Good luck and enjoy.